Airpods. There are clones of these like almost everywhere. I can find them on Amazon, eBay, and not to mention wish.com. But where did it all start? Today I'll be showing you the first ever AirPod clones. So this model right now here is the first ever AirPod clone, and this is the I7 TWS. The mini variant, as the main variant is, I think it's too large for me, so I got the mini variant. I found this on eBay for about $4.99 US, and what you're getting for that, it's quite interesting actually. Let's start off with the box. At the front with the I7 TWS, and at the sides we got nothing except for one side which have the color variants. This is the white model by the way, and at the back we have all these specifications. I'll just take a screenshot for you to see, cause I'm sure not all of these are true. Okay, anyway, back to the i7 Mini. It's once you open the box, you get a plastic container with the AirPods in the middle. I mean the i7 Mini in the middle, and pulling out all the accessories that isn't really much. Taking the AirPods that's wrapped in a plastic, you can see that this i7, it's not really like the real deal, but this is the first ever clone, so this is where it all started actually, and I'm kinda interested and also excited at the same time. The manuals are in English and Chinese, and there's a micro USB cable, as yes, this doesn't use lightning. So this can stand on the back, and there's a physical button at the front, and you also get the what do you call that? The LED lighting, which is not a nice touch at all. Okay, let's just pair this real quick. I'm sure they're easy to pair. I have it on, and then let me just plug out both, so I think you'll pair better. Okay, let's see. Yes, and it comes out as AirPods. Connecting. Is it done? Okay, so here it is, i7 Mini. Now as you can see, we can't customize any settings. I mean, this is the first one, so I don't really have anything to complain here. Okay, back to the charging case. Is the mini variant, and it's much larger than the actual AirPods. Just look at it. It's not much different under the camera, but trust me, there's quite a big difference. Now pulling up the earpiece, it's actually a hole in the center where I'm supposed to pop it in. It's not magnetic. I mean, first AirPods, I mean $5. I can't really complain much actually. The LED doesn't look good, and now let me just show you how big it is. I have the real AirPods and the i7 Mini right here, as you can see. The individual earbud doesn't look much like the AirPods either, but this is the first generation. Actually, it looks kinda awful. At the same time, it looks okay. Like they managed to copy the tip of the earbud correctly, but the bottom and the sides are totally a mess. And of course, the real AirPods has a very satisfying case with it. However, this isn't really like the real deal. The case just click open and close, which isn't as satisfying. And unfortunately, the micro USB cable provided wasn't working. I will not be testing the sound quality of this earphone, because I'll be giving this away when it hit 20 likes. So please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I reached 150 subscribers, surpassed 100 in just that video. And just what I say, I'm so grateful for all of you, those that have subscribed and those that have watched my videos. And the giveaway results will be soon. However, these truffles, I can only send it to Southeast Asia region because it's gonna expire soon. I bought too many of them, like I bought a few hundred. Okay, then I'll be giving the i7 TWS. So like the video and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and then go down to the description below and follow me on Instagram and comment done with your Instagram name, and I'll announce the giveaway winner in my next two videos. So please remember to subscribe so you'll not miss that out. And I just want to end off by saying this is the one that started all the great clones, so we should appreciate this for bringing good clones, if that makes sense. And I just want to end off by saying thanks for all the support, and I'll catch you all in the next one.